The Sea Ray Sundancer has long been an iconic name in the boating industry. Building on that success, the designers behind the Sundancer 320 took in consumer feedback that said the primary thing they wanted more of was usable outdoor space. This is no mere Sunpad. This is a full row of robust lounge seating with actuated headrests and armrests for custom comfort while at rest or underway. An optional bow sunshade adds protection from midday rays. Sea Ray's designers made sure to maintain a natural flow from the helm all the way through to the transom and onto the integrated swim platform. Here, a reversible helm companion seat converts to face aft, facilitating conversation with the rest of the cockpit. A well-equipped standard wet bar includes a sink and storage, and offers a refrigerator and grill as options. The hardtop features an optional canvas shade that slides open to let the sun shine in, and the cockpit table converts to an additional Sunpad area. True to its Sundancer heritage, the 320 doesn't cut any corners when it comes to space below deck. For all-day comfort, you'll find a deluxe head with a vanity, a modern vessel sink, and a shower. The Galley features a refrigerator and microwave, perfect for meal prep. A flat-screen TV makes this a nice place to duck out of the sun and relax. Here we see another social zone of the 320. The forward salon V-berth features a gorgeous wood table that converts with filler cushions to form a full-size bed. In total, this Sundancer sleeps 4 adults easily. The mid-berth features twin bunks that slide to convert into a king-size bed with curtains for added privacy. The Sundancer's state-of-the-art helm station features custom Sea Ray instrumentation with easy-to-read, beautiful glass lenses. Just another example of Sea Ray's eye for style. Engineered to maximize cockpit space and preserve swim platform integrity, the Sundancer 320 outboard provides boaters with tremendous versatility, the freedom to cruise, cove, and discover your perfect beach just about anywhere. And there is added storage space to stow gear for your favorite activities. With available Axios propulsion for stern drive and joystick piloting for outboard configurations, the Sundancer 320 offers effortless docking.